Introducing the 2023 Shelby F-250 Super Baja, a truck that transforms every drive into an exciting adventure. Designed for both work and play, this powerhouse boasts a Shelby tuned suspension system by Fox Performance, ensuring an incredible off-road experience without compromising the smooth ride. The unmistakable Shelby style shines through with features like air-induction hood, powder-coated steel bumpers, LED lighting, and iconic Super Baja stripes. Under the hood of the F-250 Super Baja doesn't disappoint, packing a 6.7-liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine and a 10-speed torque shift automatic transmission, delivering top-notch towing capabilities. Inside the truck continues the Shelby legacy with a luxurious interior featuring full leather seat covers, custom carbon fiber accents, embroidered floor mats, and billet racing pedals. Each truck is adorned with exclusive Shelby Super Baja badges and a unique serialized nameplate. But here's the catch. This extraordinary vehicle is limited to just 250 units, available exclusively through select Ford dealers across the United States. So if you're ready to join the exclusive club of F-250 Super Baja owners, act fast before this opportunity drives away. Let's go over to some of the performance features of this truck. 6.7-liter Power Stroke V8 turbo diesel, Fox Performance suspension. It's a custom BDS lift system with Fox 2.0 dual stabilizers, front coilovers, and rear factory race adjustable shocks with piggyback reservoirs. Custom 20-inch alloy wheels mounted on 37-inch BFGoodrich KM3. The interior is a custom full leather interior, Shelby Super Baja badges, serial number nameplates, embroidered floor mats, carbon fiber accents, billet racing pedals, and deep tinted windows. Exterior for the F-250 Super Snake is going to include a air induction hood with extraction vents, new front grille with painted accents and LED marker lights, painted fender flares, airflow fender vents, bed liner, XL power steps, rock slider lights, LED lighting, powder coated exhaust tips, Super Baja stripes and badging, front bumper system, steel front bumper, powder coated black, tow points and airflow vents, 40-inch curved LED light bar, 10-inch LED lights, rear bumper system, steel powder coated black rear bumper, 10-inch LED backup light, Super Baja bed chase rack system with 2 spare tires mounted in the back. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.